In a recent development, the Supreme Court of India has stayed the conviction and 2 years jail term imposed on Congress leader Rahul Gandhi in a criminal defamation case. The case arose from his remark during an election rally in 2019 where he said, "All thieves have Modi surname." The bench of Justices D.R. Gavai, P.S. Narasimha, and P.V. Sanjay Kumar found that the trial court had not given specific reasons for imposing the maximum punishment of 2 years imprisonment for defamation. They also noted that the conviction impacted the rights of electorate in Wayanad, the constituency Gandhi represented as a member of parliament. The ruling resulted in disqualification from parliament, which means he lost his seat in the Lok Sabha. However, with Supreme Court's order, Rahul Gandhi's membership in Lok Sabha from Wayanad would be restored pending the appeal. The court emphasized that the trial judge should have provided reasons for the maximum sentence, considering the offence of defamation is non-cognizable. While this case is about defamation, the court also highlighted the importance of public figures exercising caution while making statements. The case garnered attention due to its political implications, with Rahul Gandhi's remarks drawing both support and criticism. Senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi, representing Rahul Gandhi, argued that the offence of defamation requires an intention to harm. He also pointed out that the trial judge didn't follow proper evidentiary law. On the other side, senior advocate Mahesh Jethmalani, representing the complainant Purnesh Modi, contended that Rahul Gandhi intended to defame everyone with Modi surname, affecting the entire identifiable community. The court, however, clarified that they were not assessing the merits of case at this stage and stressed the need for strong evidence when negating the sentence. The case has sparked debates on freedom of speech and the responsibility of public figures in their statements. As the appeal continues, the nation awaits the final verdict. Until then, this issue remains a significant one, impacting not only Rahul Gandhi but also the rights of electorate in Wayanad. To read about this in detail, do visit our website. Our link is in the description box, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Bar and Bench.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.